Pontiac, Michigan. This strange man breaks a doorbell window with a hammer in the middle of the night. Detroit. Someone set fire to the truck of the landlord's daughter in the driveway at about 2:15 this morning. The man who did this must have been really unscrupulous.
Open the door! The truck on fire out here! Somebody just...
This man who reported this fire is really a hero, isn't he? While the car was on fire, the fire could have spread to the house. There was a mother and a baby in the house. Let's see what happens.
Mom, I'm scared to go.
Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm glad they're okay. Reston, Virginia. These people must be crazy at 4 in the morning. MacLean. Maybe this video will convince you to always lock your doors. Burke. This woman is armed. She has a knife. Almost without noticing the knife, the landlord would open the door, thinking he was looking for an address. Let's see. Charlotte, North Carolina. Be careful. There's a man ringing the bell, and after trying to open the door, the homeowner noticed him, and he left. There are these people everywhere.
I'm sorry.
Valet being sneaky, using a trash can to hide the camera. The man on Amazon rang the bell, and a few seconds later, the homeowner received a motion alert, and when he opened the door, he threw the package and ran away. Jacksonville, Florida. Another package thief trying to steal packages by bending and crawling. I guess he thinks he won't be caught on camera. Please don't leave your packages outside and always remember to bring them in on time. Bonita, California.
Why are you following me? You've been following me for miles. Why are you following me? Nobody cut you off, sir. Nobody cut you off. Why are you following me? Why are you following me? I went to high school here, so I guess we know each other, I guess. So, I don't know why you're following me. You've been following me around this neighborhood. Should we go and talk to my dad and stuff so I'm not a woman in the middle of the street with a man following me? Why are you following me? You've been following me for blocks, sir. We've been going around and around and around and around. Why are you following me?
Memphis, Tennessee. Another door knocker. These guys who keep turning the doorknob, what exactly do they want us to do? Let them in and have a cold drink?
What's up, man? You need some?
Yeah, you go.
You said what?
Keeps turning the doorknob.
Could you open the door?
Huh?
Could you open the door?
Now you got the wrong crib.
Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Yeah, there's another one of those again. What exactly does he think he's going to find there?
Get out of the backyard.
Imagine seeing this man with your children. It's really psychologically very bad. Fortunately, the homeowner notices him. Pontiac. None of us have to see these people wandering around in the middle of the night in front of our house or backyard fence, right? Write in the comments what you think about these people and what you think can be a solution, and let's discuss it. We can make America a safer place.
Excuse me, what you doing back there? What are you doing back there?
I was trying to get through the other side.
Come from behind my house.
Sorry.
River Edge, New Jersey. Check this, women.
Hi. I'm sorry if I'm intruding and you're not home. My friend kind of dropped me off and left me, so I was wondering if I was able to look at an Uber and try to pay my way home. If not, that's no problem. If I could just be let known so that I can try to find a way home, that would be grateful. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Do you think he really needs help? Write in the comments. What would you do?
You know what? She's pissing me off and I'm so done with her probably at this point. I'm so fucking done.
Excuse me? Hello?
Cambria Heights, New York. Please, everyone be careful. The homeowner does not know who this is and has never seen him in the
Yes, I'm
neighborhood.
feel the same way. But I love for feeling first still. I'm Captain Kiwi. Hello, me, I'm asking for no. Me, I'm asking for still on stay. How you got that? You know? I'm so got it. Still on stay.
Go back. Get it. Get it. Ah! Spirit.
It's just a tree. What do you want with it?
It's not to you. It's not to you.
Queens Village. A man trying to break into the house.
What you want, Papa? Huh? What the you want? Don't ever come over here, because I picked my gun up fucking years ago. Don't ever try that shit again. I got you in camera, I don't show the police.
She followed me 4 blocks talking about this was her package. I had to open it and show her. No, I didn't threaten her with it. I threatened with it. That's like, I didn't. But why are you taking me? What did I do? What did I do? If she said there wasn't no package, what did I do? I didn't threaten her with that knife. I didn't threaten her with that knife. I got another knife in my bag. I carry that for protection from men. I carry that for protection from men. Because you see,
Estranged man claiming he is a campaign worker checking out backyards and looking through front door.
Hi, I'm here from the Ross campaign. I'll leave this audio out here. Just reminding you, May 13th is the election. Thank you.
The trespassing woman walks up the driveway to the deck and looks around, goes to the side door, knocks on the door and tries the doorknob, then walks to the front of the house. Be careful. There is a strange man at the back door. He looks around, and when he sees that no one is there, he takes out a phone and calls someone. There have been a lot of strange men like this around lately. At 5:40 a.m, an elderly couple ringing doorbells in their underwear appears to be lost and in need of help. Let's see what happens.
Не звони, Олег. Пошли. Отведи меня домой. Только домой.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
You lost my way. Please, I live Anderson, Tori Anderson Street. Не нажимай. Идут люди. Открывают. Не стучи.
New episode coming soon. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Dijiste que no iba a haber nadie aquí. Si no, el código no abre la puerta.